It's getting really hot in here.
Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? In the middle of the night, in my dreams, you should see the things we do, baby.
Hi guys, my name is Chris. I want to welcome each one of you to my channel, and oh my god, I'm so excited because this is my first video to release and share with you guys. And this video, what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to transform myself to a real lady. By the way, so if you like this video, all you have to do is just click like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's go on with the transformation, and this is how you do this drag.
You should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams. You should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams. You should see the things we do, baby. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? You should see the things we do. Are you ready for it? In the middle of the night, in my dreams. You should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams. I know I'm gonna be with you, so I'll take my time. Are you ready for it? 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 In the middle of the night, in my dreams. You should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams. You should see the things we do, baby. Are you ready for it? 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 In the middle of the
Oh my god, what a job. Anyway, so here we go guys. Ito na po yung transformation ko, my Dragqueen Makeup transformation. If you like it, all you have to do is just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So hope to see you soon. I'm going to release another video next week, so this time I'm going to do a makeup review. This palette I received it the other day, so and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So anyway, have a good day. Magandang umaga po, and maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye now!